up, my besties? It's your favorite bestie back on the scene. If you're not trying to be my bestie now, you're gonna most definitely want to be my bestie later. So you might as well tell your friends to get with my friends and we can be friends. So hopping straight into the video, we're just gonna section her all the way off and braid her up. So like I was showing you guys, just the braids that I had did before, you just do them to the rest of her head. And then we're gonna start doing the butterfly locks, okay? So now I'm just oiling her scalp. Make sure you keep that scalp nice and oil, okay? Make sure it's moisturized. Don't be having no dry, flaky scalps around here, okay? And on your hair, okay? That's not cute, girl. That's not cute. So what I'm gonna do now is I have some Freetress hair. It is the Water Wave. Yeah, Water Wave, believe. I have it in the description below what hair I use. So I'm going to take that through my crochet and I'm going to pull that through, and then I'm going to take one side and pull it down, and the other side is what I'm going to wrap. So it's like an arm or a leg, and I'm wrapping it around it basically. And I'm going to just do that to my liking, well, her liking, where she want her butterfly locks to stop at. And then I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to pull out the little butterfly pieces and I like pinch them out, and then I just wrap over and under them so it stays and it's locked into place, okay? Okay, so right here you see how I pulled that piece of hair up and it's like a loop. That is the butterfly look. That's how you get that butterfly, the look of the whole lock. And I'm just gonna wrap it. I'm gonna pinch it and I'm gonna wrap the rest of the hair like I've been doing under it. Okay, just to keep it right there, and you just keep doing that consistently, as many as you want, as messy as the look you want it to be. It's your client's preference on how messy of butterfly locks they want. If they just want a couple pieces, so you just keep doing that. Pinch it, wrap, pinch and wrap, pinch and wrap. That's all it is. I know I keep saying your clients liking, that you guys, y'all could do it on yourself too. Like, you don't have to just do this on a client or other people. You can do this style on yourself. I have a video of me doing it on myself, but they were longer. But the shorter ones, you can do them on yourself as well. Let me know in the description if you do try to do them on yourself, and tag me in pictures if you go off of my video and you're doing it the way that I do it. I just want to see you guys' looks and how it comes out. If you do it on a client as well, or your friend, whoever you doing it on, just tag me and let me know how it turned out. Now we just moving on to the top of her head, about to basically finish up. And I'm just doing the same process I showed you guys. I'm using that Freetress hair. I use about 3 pieces, but that's just my preference in the size that I wanted. She wanted like medium size, so I use like 3, and then just the same process. Pull that through. You have two sides. One is a leg, one gets wrapped, and then you make the butterfly, and you just pinch the hair up and you wrap it around. Keep going down. And now for the ends, I don't think I put it in the video, but it's basically I just flip it and wrap it upwards. So that the length that she wants it is not too long. That's all I did for the ends, is just wrap them back up. You just wrap them up, and you always want it to be like a little longer, so you have like a longer string to kind of like use it as a tie, if that makes sense. But y'all get what I'm saying. It's another video too, showing you really the ends of how I did it with my longer locks. It's the same way that I use them for the shorter locks as well. So y'all know I've been doing this recently. So if you made it this far in the video, let me get fire emojis in the comments, please. Let me know that y'all made it this far to this video, that y'all actually watching the video. It's not that long. Sorry y'all, I'm all in the way. Look at me just in the frame. Like, girl, the camera was right there. Like, why would you block it? Y'all can't see. I'm sorry y'all couldn't see. But now we about to go in the next clip, and we're gonna start putting that mousse on there. This is the mousse that I use. It's the Shine and Jam one. I really love that one. That's my favorite. So we're gonna put that mousse on there, and then we're gonna get a do-rag. You can get a do-rag, a scarf, whatever you want. And you smooth that mousse through the hair, girl. Yep, get it all on there. Yep, y'all see that? Don't be scared with the mousse, y'all. Don't be shy now. You use it. It's okay. It's gonna give you that shine. It's gonna make it soft. It's gonna do its job. Let it do its job. Don't be putting a little mousse on y'all hair and stuff. Ooh, it got caught on her necklace, but that's okay. It's okay. Y'all ain't see that for real. Y'all ain't see that. Yep. So we're gonna put that mousse on there. We're gonna wrap that hair up with the do rag and stuff. You need a little bit more mousse in the front, girl. What you doing? Yeah, yeah. That's what I thought. I'm like, you need a little bit more mousse. Hey. For a second, I thought I was about to leave it like that. I was about to be like, what was I doing? Anyways, y'all. So after you put the mousse on and you wrap it with a scarf or a do rag or whatever you want to use. I mean, really, those are the only two you can use. Anyways, then you gonna blow dry it. If you got a hooded dryer, even better. That's great. I have the detachable one that you get from the beauty spot store. I didn't want to put that over it. I could have, but I just blow dried it. Make sure all that mousse was locked in, getting all into them locks, into her scalp, moisturizing, doing all what it's supposed to have done. And yeah, after that, it's finished. Then you just after that, what I do after? I don't know, y'all. I'm just rambling right now, and I'm not editing this out because I don't feel like it. So I'm gonna just keep talking all the way through. But yep, see now we blow drying it, getting it um getting to the scalp, making sure all the mousse is dry or mainly dry, and on them ends of the locks. Make sure that this is what leaves them soft and movable so they're not stiff. And it also determines the hair you use. That's why I use the free tress hair. But after that, just put some oil sheen on, girl. I was oiling her scalp all the way through. So, if you didn't put oil on while you were doing the twist, then put some oil on. But we just gonna put some oil sheen. And yeah, we done, baby. We done. She gonna be cute. Y'all about to see her. Yeah, and it's my sis, y'all. It's my sister right here. She real cute. Y'all see, I had to dry it a little more. But thank you guys for watching the video. Again, make sure you guys are leaving likes, comments, y'all are subscribe to the channel to be besties. Okay? I love you guys so much. Look at her. Yeah, she feeling herself. Girl, she look cute. These cute. These bomb. These is bomb. Don't play with me. Don't play with her either. Y'all see that neatness. Okay. Look at that. The shine. You can see the shine from a mile away. Don't play. And it's giving the bohemian, messy look. Oh, she knows she look cute. Yeah, girl. I know that's right. I know that's motherfucking right.